What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. Today we're gonna go over Baby Doge, and we got a lot of stuff that's going on right now with Baby Doge. So we're gonna be talking about that today. So definitely hit the like button and subscribe if you like these Baby Doge videos. Also, leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis 25% off. And if you want 10% off all your trading fees, definitely check out the MEXC Global link inside of the description. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. But let's go straight over Baby Doge. So the first thing that we're going to be going over is the NFTs. So we have a lot of big stuff going on with the NFTs. So the public mint is pretty much going to be on the 22nd. Today was the official day for the whitelist winners. So the whitelist winners pretty much were able to get in on their NFTs today. But now for the general public, it'll be on the 22nd. So we got to wait till the 22nd for the Baby Doge NFT mints to be done. So that's going to be pretty big. And not only that, big shout out to Ultra243 here for spotting this scam. Do not fall for this at all. This scam there's just so many scammers out there. It's babydogennft.com. It's not babydogennfts.io. Is babydogennft.com. There's no S after the T at the end of this. It's Baby Doge NFT, not NFTs. And it's not .io, it's .com. So babydogennft.com. If you go over to babydogennfts.io, pretty much what they're going to do is they're going to get you to connect your wallet, then they're going to drain your whole wallet dry. So you do not want to do that. It is a complete scam. But anyways, big shout out to Ultra243 for coming out with this. And then at the bottom it says, always do your own research. Everything. Don't let these scammers win. And yeah, you don't want to let these scammers win. The official one, babydogennft.com. And if you really want to find it, all you really got to do is type inside of a Baby Doge army, and then you'll pretty much see it pop up right here. So it's now popping up like at the first OpenSea.io, but then you can see right here, babydogennft.com. You just click that, and then boom, this is the official one. It's babydogennft.com, not the other one. Do not want to go to babydogennfts.io. It's a scam. But anyways, moving on from that, let's talk about this. So Ronaldinho, I think that's how you say it, Ronaldinho Garcia. I don't know how to say his name. I believe he's Brazilian out there. But this is really big. He's partnering with the Baby Doge, and we already got the news of this like a while ago, but now he's like doing his official NFTs with Baby Doge. So that's huge, like literally. And he's literally one of the largest football players out there. So there's a lot of potential here with being partnered with him, especially this being on his Twitter, being promoted to his 20 million followers. So that's actually pretty significant here. But anyways, yeah, this is huge. He said it twice, voted the best in the world by FIFA, literally twice voted the best, like the best football player out there side of Rio de Janeiro and all of football. And he's literally promoting Baby Doge. So this is huge for the Baby Doge army. And the fact that he's going to be doing his own NFTs on here as well. He's literally got like one of the largest platforms out here for football out. So this is definitely pretty big for us. But anyways, moving on from that, let's talk about something else with Baby Doge. So I wanted to mention with the technicals today, because we didn't go over too many technicals yesterday. But I do want to mention something. Like, yes, we did hit this support line of 2-2, but it definitely seems like Baby Doge may be on the upside now. So we may actually be having a reversal here to the upside. So we hit that support very briefly. I mentioned how if we go below that support, then the next area for us to hit would be 1.8. It seems like Baby Doge is about to go on the upside, as well as the overall crypto market. We may see everything, doing a reversal here, but we still don't know if it's a bull trap or not. So we got to be wary of that. But everything has been trying to, do some recovery here. So we just got to be wary of it. And we got to be aware that any of this could be a bull trap, because look, we were literally bull trapped there. And then we had this huge pullback, and it went all the way back down to about 38K. And now you're seeing another rise in price. But if this is another not a rug pull, but if this is another pullback, then you would see Bitcoin hit 35K. And then you would see Baby Doge bottoming out probably like 1.4 to 1.8, somewhere around there. That's where our bottom would be with Baby Doge. If this was a now I keep saying rug pull, but if this was pretty much a pullback, if this was a bull trap, then you would see that pullback go all the way back down to about 1.4 to 1.8. So hopefully it's not one of those bull traps. But anyways, we are still getting more and more holders. We're almost at 1.6 million already. But as you can see here, Baby Doge at $6.6 million in trading volume. Not too much, not too bad. 14 trillion burn today. But what I really like to see is total, the whales in all have literally added $2.23 million to Baby Doge. Like $2.23 million came in today to those whale wallets. So that's pretty big. This one whale right here is a huge whale. $174,000 worth of Baby Doge purchased today by this whale. The largest purchase for today was this whale. They have $464 million total in crypto. And a lot of that is actually inside of Baby Doge. So Baby Doge is one of their largest holdings here inside their Binance Smart Chain wallet. So yeah, their Baby Doge is pretty much at $2 million. And they now added $174,000. So that's pretty big. Now, moving on from there, we still have some technicals that we want to talk about because, a lot of people are still believing that Baby Doge is going to continue crashing. I see in my comment sections all the time, people keep talking about how they're scared that Baby Doge is going to crash huge. I just don't think that's going to happen. Even though we're still losing money inside Baby Doge here and there, I just don't think that we're going to have such a huge pullback that everyone loses all their money. It's not going to go all the way down to zero. Like, it's only going to go down but so much, especially because we've done so many burns. And those burns really contribute to the bottom. So we can't go below a certain point because we just have so much money burned. That money's never leaving Baby Doge. But anyways, looking at the current price action for Baby Doge, just expect this pullback maybe a little bit down to about 2.4 flat. We're at 2.480, but I really do believe that we could go down to the bottom of this channel here. This channel is pretty much resistant. So if we go down to the bottom of this channel, we may see Baby Doge trying to pump back up to where it was before. So we were all the way up here at this 2526 channel before. So hopefully it's not too bad of a pullback. But remember, this is just a short term. Like, we're looking at the 15-minute chart. Like, that chart's so insignificant to the overall trajectory of Baby Doge. Like, whenever you look at this chart from this perspective, the 4-hour chart, you can pretty much see what's going to happen next year for Baby Doge. So look, we've already hit the bottom of the support 3 times. I know I mentioned this yesterday, but I'm going to mention it again. We literally hit this bottom support 3 times. So we touched that support 3 times so far. So not only have we touched that 3 times, but we also peaked once here, and now we just peaked again. So now we've peaked twice, and then we hit the bottom 3 times. So what happens next? There's going to be a third peak pretty much. We may see it pull back, but not all the way down to the bottom. So it's still going to be the 3 for the bottoms. And then eventually we're probably going to end up, like I said, pulling back to 2.4, like 2.4 flat, just like I showed in the 15M chart, because you can actually see on the 15-minute chart that 2.4 area is pretty much going to come next. That's where our next line of support is pretty much, and then that's when we're going to end up seeing Baby Doge probably pumping from there. So I'll show you what I mean here for a second. So let's go back over to the 4-hour chart and look at this. So look, we bottomed out 1, 2, 3 bottoms out, and then 1, 2 so far for the tops. And now we're going to have a third one. So we're probably going to do this pullback, and then we're going to top out here at the 2.4 area one more time. And then this is going to turn into a third one. And then you're probably going to see Baby Doge pump up to this next area, 2.8. And then it's going to reenact the same thing before we continue to rise to our next line of resistance, getting all the way up to 3.2, and then so on and so forth. I don't know how long it's going to take to get all the way up there, but I definitely do believe Baby Doge is about to have huge growth, huge gains coming up very soon. So yeah, this is pretty much all I got for y'all today. I just wanted to go over the technicals here. I just wanted to show pretty much what's coming up next for Baby Doge. I know a lot of people don't want to hear bears talk, but I do think that we're probably about to have a reversal. Remember, yesterday was like the bears were in control of the 24-hour market control by 80%. But now if you look at it, the bears are only in control by 60%. Eventually, it's going to be the bulls in control by 40% after that. So we may see some turnarounds here inside of Baby Doge like very soon. So hopefully we can see that. Now looking at the 15-minute chart, you see the bears still in control by 60%. So we just got to wait. We just got to let it play out and see what's going to happen inside the overall crypto market. Remember, you always got to watch Bitcoin as well, because Bitcoin is really a telltale sign of where the crypto market's going next. Sometimes Baby Doge doesn't follow Bitcoin, but for the most part, we have to follow Bitcoin. We have to know exactly what Bitcoin is doing. And what we're actually doing is pulling up here to this red area, and this is pretty much resistance. Now, we already topped out once at this resistance. So that was one time. And then now we're probably about to do it a next time, or a second time, I mean. And then after that second time, what if we have, another pullback back down to here, and then we go break out for a third time, just like how we showed with the previous charts on Baby Doge. So if it does that, then that means Bitcoin could be breaking out pretty soon. And where would Bitcoin pretty much be going? The next area of resistance for Bitcoin is all the way up here at 48K. I know it's heavy resistance. This area here would also be some minor resistance around 45K. We would have some resistance there. But 48K is pretty much what we're targeting for major resistance, because when we hit that 48K, that's probably when you're going to see that pullback back down to about 45K. And then you're going to pretty much see another pump coming after that. So we gotta like watch out for these levels, because Bitcoin is really the telltale sign of where overall crypto market is going to be going. But anyways, this is pretty much all I got for y'all today. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. But yeah, definitely hit that like button and subscribe. It really does help the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. If you want to become a member of the channel, definitely go ahead and join. I'll go over any crypto that the members want me to go over next. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. If you want 10% off all your trading fees, definitely check out the Maxi Global link in the description. And as always, I'll be back with another video. Peace.